How long have I been here for?
Hey, Gaming Rubix.
Oh, hey, Bacon.
What are you doing?
I'm just laying here, and I'm just really bored right now. Do you have anything to do?
No, not really.
I feel like just laying here, just sleeping. I like this world a lot more better than Minecraft. There's too many monsters over there.
Well, there were monsters before. Like, there's one in that storage room.
Ah, dang it. I forgot about that. Well, what am I gonna do now?
I don't know. I'll just go along.
Okay.
What should I do? Oh, there's another computer here. I don't know how to get in this one. It's kind of hard. How am I gonna get into that one?
Relax.
Gaming Rubix, I admit, I'm bored.
Oh, you're bored? Well, let me think. Maybe we can do this together. How about we, go outside?
Yeah, we could do that. Go outside, go outside, go outside.
Yeah, get it outside. Yeah, get outside. Let's go outside and let's go play in the sun. Let's go play in the sun. Alright, we're outside.
Yeah, we sure are outside.
Yeah, outside. Ooh, yeah. Now where should we go, Bacon?
I don't know. Go to the front.
Sure.
The front seems a bit weird. It smells like plants over here.
Well, yeah, because there are plants over here. You see that?
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, the sun's out.
Yep, the sun is out. I'll probably go sit.
Okay, Gaming Rubix. It's too bright over here.
Yeah. It's a lot more relaxing than inside, I guess. Whew, yeah. Lay down.
What am I even going to do in here? This is the woods where I came from. Where am I? Hope it's not gonna get too dark. There are a little bit of clouds out there. I hope it doesn't rain, or thunder, or lightning. I don't see any thunder. Why is it getting dark? Why is it getting dark? Gaming Rubix will probably know about this.
Oh, yeah, relaxing. Huh? Why is it all dark? I just heard thunder. Oh, crap, where's Bacon?
I can still see. Oh, okay, I can't see where I'm going. Where am I going?
Oh, Bacon, you out here? Oh no, I can't see where I'm going.
Oh no, this is horrible. Oh. I'm scared of thunder. Ah! This is really bad. I don't know where I'm going. Don't know where I'm going. How many times is that thunder going to scare me?
Bacon! I can't see where I'm going. Bacon! Ah! Bacon! Ah! Why is that thunder and lightning scary? Ah!
So mad right now!
Bacon!
David Rubix! David Rubix, where are you?
Wait, Bacon? Is that you?
Wait, you can hear me? Okay, please come to my voice.
Okay, don't worry. Gaming Rubix is right here.
Oh, Gaming Rubix, please come here, buddy.
Bacon, I'm right here, buddy.
Don't worry, Gaming Rubix, I'm coming to you.
Ah!
Gaming Rubix? Oh, no. What am I gonna do? Gaming Rubix, where are you?
Oh, that hurt. Bacon! 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 Ugh. Bacon, I can't believe I lost you again. Ah! Bacon! Ah!
Man, this is so hard. I can't see a thing.
Ah!
What am I gonna do?
Ah! Ooh!
Gaming Rubix! So difficult to find you in the rain.
Ah!
Gaming Rubix? Gaming Rubix, where are you? Gaming Rubix? Is that you? Ah, damn it, it's a tree. Gaming Rubix.
Ah! God, how many times will this storm actually...
What's that word again? Scare me. Where are you?
Bacon! Bacon! It's really hard for me to find you. I can't find the house. Where is it? Oh, where's the house? I lost myself. And I lost Bacon. Bacon! Where are you, buddy? I can't hear a voice. All I can hear is just... Ah!
Do you hear my voice, Gaming Rubix? Because I can't hear yours. Oh, ouch! Ah, that hurt.
I'm over here.
I hear you, Gaming Rubix. Please come here. Just follow the sentry sound.
Ah!
Just follow the sentry sound of his voice.
Bacon! Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Sounds like I'm getting closer.
Oh, come to me, Bacon. Come to me, finally. We're getting closer again.
Yeah.
No, I lost Bacon again. What? It's a trap. No, I gotta get out of here.
Ouch. I landed on a branch. And I lost Gaming Rubix again. Gaming Rubix. Gaming Rubix. Where are you? Oh my god. What is this? Do I go in here? No, I'm not gonna risk it. It might be a trap. I just need to find Gaming Rubix. Gaming Rubix.
Was he just at the trap? Bacon, you must be at the trap. Oh, Bacon, I'm right here. It's me, Gaming Rubix. Oh, doggone it. I don't know how to say doggone it or doggone it. Bacon is so dumb. I give up.
You called that a trap? Gaming Rubix, I'm here.
It's so hard to find Bacon. He's dumb big. Dummy dumb.
Gaming Rubix, where are you?
I hear that voice. And what was that banging that I heard? Oh well. I just need to look for Bacon. Bacon! You hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear your voice, Gaming Rubix. Come here to me.
No. You come over to me, because I kinda need you.
Ah! Ah! How many lightning strikes are there in a row?
I don't know, Bacon.
There you are, Gaming Rubix. I thought I lost you again.
Well, you're not gonna lose me again. At all. Like, ever.
Ever. Ooh. Oh, that hurt. Gaming Rubix. I lost you again. Gaming Rubix. Ah! 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 Where can I go? This is so hard to find places. How's the house? How's it going? Oh, I'm finally inside. I don't think I forgot anything.
I just hurt my melon. Oh, that is Bacon! Bacon! Oh, I lost him again. I thought this would be the last time. Bacon! I can't hear your deep voice anymore. Your voice is very deep. And that's the only deep voice that I can find. And I can't find you anywhere. Where are you? Jeez, you keep disappearing every time there's a... Don't want to see that again.
Okay, now I'm wondering really what I forgot about. I don't think I forgot anything. It just feels like that I'm forgetting something when I really did not forget anything. Can't remember.
Yeah. Oh, tree. Tree. Why are there so many thunderstorms? Bacon, where are you? That hurt. That looks like a tree house. Looks like a tree house to me. Oh, there's a slide. What is wrong with this thunderstorm? I wish I could just control the weather. Am I on someone else's property or something? Is that my house? Is that my house? I gotta get over there right now.
I wonder what I'm really forgetting.
The light's on. I could just go in. What? Doggone it. Gone it. I don't know how to say it. I'm lost again. How the hell am I gonna get out of here? Oh! What is this thing? Fence. I can't see. Oh, yeah. I found this. I can finally go inside. Okay, let's type.
Maybe I didn't forget anything.
Bacon, did you go inside without me?
No.
Well, you must have, because you're already inside.
But Gaming Rubix.
Nope, don't Gaming Rubix me, alright? You left me out in the rain. You were supposed to come to me.
but I couldn't see anything.
I know.
Then why are you making an excuse?
I'm not. I couldn't see anything either. We just had to be out there to find each other so that we could both find the house.
But the lightning strikes.
Ah! Yes, I know. The lightning strikes were keeping us away. Now we're safely inside. I can't yell at you now.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I know. We learned one lesson today. Never go near any lightning strike.
Yep. Yeah. I can't blame that.
Yeah, me neither. Oh no, my legs! I can't feel my legs!
It's okay, Gaming Rubix. I can't feel my legs either.
Oh, you don't have your legs either?
Nope, can't feel them.
Ah.
Well, it actually kind of feels nice.
That doesn't really make any sense, Bacon. I gotta get up. Ugh. Curse you, Thunderstorm!